Robots. Why did it have to be robots? Oh, hello. Welcome to the lab. Today we will be looking at how a BristleBot works. Thankfully, it is one of the least dangerous type of robots out there. As much as I loathe to admit, robots do actually accomplish all kinds of incredible things. They are able to do things that we humans are unable to do or would be difficult to do ourselves. For example, robots help explore places humans can't reach, like the planet Mars or the extreme ocean depths. Doctors even use robots to help save lives during difficult surgeries. However, our BristleBot won't be performing any difficult cuts, but it will be busting a move and making interesting noises while doing so. Like all machines, our BristleBot needs power to be able to shake and jitterbug. It gets that power from the batteries in the form of electricity. And it is the tiny mini motor that causes our little BristleBot to dance. But how does the electricity reach our mini motor from the batteries? By using an electrical circuit in the form of wires. A circuit creates a looped path that the electricity follows. The electricity starts at our power source at the battery. Then it travels along the wires to the object it's powering. For our robot, this object is our mini motor. The motor will use the electricity to move the short shaft that sticks out of it, which will cause the robot to move and shake. Then, to complete the circuit's loop, the electricity continues along the path back to the battery. As you build your circuit, carefully note the positive and negative ends of the batteries and wires. The positive is red. The negative is blue. This will help you to make sure electricity flows in the correct direction. As the BristleBot circuit carries the energy needed to your mini motor, it will begin to vibrate. Vibrations happen when something moves back and forth. And when vibrations travel through the air, they make sound waves. Those sound waves vibrate the inside of your ears, causing us to hear the sounds it is making. If you listen carefully, you can probably hear several sounds right now. Sound is a form of energy made by vibrating a solid, liquid, or gas. The source of all sound is movement. Movement causes vibrations, which make the molecules dance and vibrate. The loudness or softness of a sound is called volume. The volume of a sound wave tells us how much energy it has. A loud sound wave makes the air vibrate more, so more sound energy reaches our ears. Smaller vibrations mean that less sound energy reaches our ears, and the sound is quiet or soft. Sound can travel through some materials better than others. This can be useful when you want to muffle a sound.
Hello children, it is I, Professor Stephen Bonaparte, here to bring you the BristleBots program, brought to you by laboratory assistants Kendall, Koopa, and Stacy. Enjoy!
Hi, my name is Stacy.
Hi, my name is Koopy. Hi, my name is Kendall. Today we are going to build and test the BristleBot.
In your kit, you will have 2 pipe cleaners, 1 small motor with 2 wires, foam tape, 1 round battery, 2 googly eyes, 2 pieces of electrical tape, and 1 brush head. First, take the 2 pipe cleaners and twist them in the middle 2 times so they stay together. Peel one side of the foam tape and stick it to the top of the brush head. And now take the top sticker off, revealing the foam tape. Press the middle of the pipe cleaners to the middle of the foam tape on the brush head. Curve down the legs, like you see right here.
Like this?
Press the motor onto the back of the brush head. And then press the exposed metal from the blue wire onto the foam tape at the front of the brush head. Press the battery into the foam tape at the front with the plus sign facing up. Make sure that the exposed metal from the blue wire is firmly under the battery. Now you can put your eyes on your BristleBot. Peel off the back of the googly eyes and stick them to the front of the battery. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to tell you about electrical circuits. So your BristleBot uses an electrical circuit to move. A circuit is a loop path that electricity follows, which is what you get when you do your 2 wires, your red and your blue. The electricity starts at the power source, the battery, then it travels along the wires to the object it is powering, the motor. The motor uses the electricity to move, which then moves your bot. Alright, now that we have our eyes on, use the electrical tape as a sticker to apply the red wire to the top of the battery. This will connect the circuit and turn the motor on. You can take the tape off to turn it off.
I dropped it.
Place your bot on the table.
Okay.
Do you hear it make the noise and move?
Yes, and mine's flicking
Now
up and
move it to
down.
the tinfoil.
Where's the tinfoil?
Does it make a different sound?
Yes, and it makes a way different sound if you do this.
Alright. What if you shaped your tinfoil like a box would?
Wait, what?
Let's fold the corners up so it looks like a box would.
I want to. I'm going to do that like like steak.
You want me to help you? The sound gets louder, doesn't it?
Yeah, but then it gets loud if you do
And
this.
look, it's louder because Cooper's is smaller. So Cooper's is loud. Put it down and touch. This is a little louder than that. So now you can place your ball on different surfaces and see how the sound and movement change.
I don't think that.
So when you hear sound when something vibrates. Machines make noise when their engines rattle and spin. Do you guys know of any machines that make noise with when their engines rattle?
Car engine.
Car engines? What about you, Cooper?
Boat.
Boat?
Motorcycle.
Yeah. The circuit of your
Airplane.
BristleBot creates the energy needed to make your motor vibrate, creating sound. Sound is a form of energy made by vibrating a liquid, a solid, or a gas. The source of all sound is movement. The movement causes vibrations, which make the molecules dance and vibrate.
It's dancing.
It is dancing.
I'm dancing like gold.
When vibrations travel through air, it makes sound waves. Sound waves vibrate the inside of our ears so we can hear sound. So Cooper, why do you think it's louder?
Because it's trapped in that one area.
It's trapped? Why do you think it gets louder when you pick it up like that?
That's what.
There's nothing underneath it. It's not absorbing the sound, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you guys for building a BristleBot with us today.
Bye.
To recap, our BristleBot's battery causes the motor to vibrate. The vibrations make sound waves, which travel to our ears. To test our BristleBot's volume, let's operate it on various surfaces. First, we will test our BristleBot on the surface of a table. How does it sound? Because the table surface is dense, it muffles the sound. Now, let's test our BristleBot on tinfoil. How does that sound? Because the tinfoil doesn't touch the table completely, it creates a louder sound because it vibrates more. When you create walls in the tinfoil, the sound waves then bounce off the walls and create an even louder noise. Try testing your new robot servant, humble BristleBot, on other surfaces and observe what different sounds they make. Good luck and happy sciencing! Pretty good dancer, Bonaparte. Pretty good.